Hi, I'm Maria DiCarvalho, co-director of Minds at Work, and I'm so glad to be talking to you about some new exciting offerings that we have for people who would like to begin their learning about the immunity to change process and how to take it into your work with clients. Our participants in our in-person programs have told us that what they value most about the work that we do is that we give everyone an opportunity to work on their own development, as well as to develop their skills in working with clients. So you and your clients will be able to diagnose and overturn your immune systems and make important essential changes in your lives, changes that may have eluded you until now. So we have a couple of new offerings that I'd like you to know about, and I'm going to turn this over to my colleague, Deb.
Hi, I'm Deb Helsing. I'm also co-director of Minds at Work. The first program I'm going to tell you about is our online Facilitators workshop. We're bringing our most popular training program to the virtual world, where we're able to customize this training to focus on how you can incorporate immunity to change workshops and one-on-one coaching into your online work. In 3 full days, you'll learn how to deliver an ITC workshop to any size group and to be able to work with your individual clients. The program configuration will include times when we're together as a whole group, and also many times when participants will be in smaller groups that allow for greater intimacy, rich dialogue, and very powerful opportunities to practice. The first offering of this workshop is in June 10th through the 12th, and we're also going to be offering it again in September, the 23rd through the 25th. The faculty for this program include Maria and me, as well as Bob Keegan and Lisa Leahy. The second program I want to tell you about is called Mapmaking for One-to-One Coaching. This program is a small weekly group training experience that will equip you to use immunity to change in one-on-one client settings. So if you learn best as part of a small and committed group, you will be most interested in this program. Our sessions meet weekly for 5 consecutive weeks, with each session being 3 hours long. We're looking forward to building a strong and trusting learning community in each cohort, where we can really individualize learning and provide you with regular feedback on your work. The intimate group, the first cohort of which will launch in June, will start on Thursday, June 18th, and we'll meet for 5 consecutive weeks from 4 to 7 p.m. Eastern Time. The second cohort will meet for 5 weeks on Mondays, starting June 22nd, from 6 to 9 a.m. Eastern Time. And each of those groups is going to be facilitated either by me or by Maria.
So if you are committed to your own learning and supporting the learning and development of others, we hope that you will consider joining us. All our trainings are very highly interactive. Our in-person people who attend our in-person training say that's one of their favorite parts. And the programs that we've designed to be online are infused with that same sense of connection and possibility, and also the opportunity to learn with and enjoy other people. So we hope that if you are interested in bringing immunity to change to your coaching or facilitation practice, that you'll consider joining us.